Today I'm super excited to show you guys how I installed this WaterWave 24-inch wig sent by Eunice. Now, this is a close-up of the knots on the wig. This is their Bye Bye Knots wig, which means the knots come pre-bleached and then the hairline is already pre-cut, giving it a very natural look. Also forgot to mention that this is also a 7x5 closure wig. So for all my girls that want that frontal look but without having the frontal commitment, this one is for you, because that is me all day long. Now when I put this wig on, I have a small head, but this cap is a one size fits all and it's very adjustable, which I loved, and it fits so tight on my head. In these next few clips, you guys just seeing me trying to adjust it, because even though I did put it tight, I wanted to make sure that it was aligned perfectly with my natural hairline. And under this wig, all I did was braid my hair down to create a flat base for the wig to sit on, and I also added 2 wig caps underneath. I didn't end up gluing down the wig caps because this install is going to be a glueless install, so I felt like that really wasn't needed. But was needed was me putting some foundation on the lace so that I can match my forehead, because it was looking a bit too light. It was looking a little scary, y'all. So I'm just going in to add some foundation because, like I said, this is going to be a glueless unit. So foundation on the lace, having it blend in with my forehead, is going to have everything blend in together, especially with this glueless unit. And here I'm just making sure that everything is just a straight middle part. I did go in with my wax stick to push up the hairline in the front. I feel like when you have a wig and your hairline is pushed up in the front like this, I feel like it gives a more natural look. Now I did decide to go in and add some baby hairs to cover up the lace a little bit, because since this is going to be a glueless install, I personally think that the edges are going to give it more of a flawless look. So yeah, in these next few clips, you guys are just going to be seeing me go in and cut my baby hairs. You guys will then also see me use some edge control just to slick these baby hairs down. The edge control that I'm using is Edge Booster, which I'm going to link down below if you guys are interested in using it yourself. Honestly, you don't have to use Edge Booster, but Edge Booster is what's worked for me. So whatever edge control that you guys have will honestly work really good for you as well.
Yeah.
And I also forgot to mention that this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box, y'all. Like literally no washing, no anything. This hair was literally so easy to put on and do. This wig is perfect for my girls that honestly, like me, have gotten lazy when it comes to wig. Everything already comes done for you. All you have to do is put it on. It's so easy to do. Honestly, in these next few clips, you guys are just going to be seeing me use just pure water in my spray bottle and using my fingers to finger comb through the hair, defining the curls, just so that I could give you guys a little clips of what it looks like when it's wet, since I just showed you guys what it looks like when it's dry. And yeah, if you guys made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys think so far of these curls, because they are so pretty.
Trying, baby, I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, I'm in the car from my yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know Give me all the work, 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 work. She send me out there, work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la 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 la.
And this is the final look. You could either wear it wet or dry. I personally like the wet look, which is my favorite. I did want to show you guys some clips of me using a comb running through the lace underneath my wig. Like I said, this is completely glueless. You could just slap this thing on. It's so easy and ready to go. I wanted to show you guys me lifting up the wig just to show you guys you could just slap it on. Look, lift it up, put it back down, lift it up again, and it literally goes back to the way that it was once you slap it back down. This wig, listen, it's so easy to use, and I would definitely recommend for my girls that are also on the go as well. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a close-up of what the lace is looking like. I'm just pulling some flyaways, but yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think below in the comment section. Thanks for coming to my video.